So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube challenge. This is this is our speaking English challenge, and this is our day 10. Today's my topic is our story, how to tell a story and how to improve our English. By the way, speaking of English, and so first of all, I tell you a story, and how can you improve this story by over English. So in Jaipur live a boy. He in Jaipur live a boy. He is living in Jaipur for the purpose of getting a job, but he did he did not get a job because he because he did not have any skill. So he he is not getting any jobs, but after some time he is learning, but after some time he will learn some skills, and again find some job, and again he will find some job because now he he has he has a very good skills, but again he did not get any jobs because of he did not have any personality and any confidence to attract any customer. So now again he is learning improve our confidence and how to build our confidence. After 6 months he he will get he he will get confidence and improve them improve his personality. And after some time again he he is try to getting a job, but again he is not getting a job because of he 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 but again he did not want to he, but again he did not want to a job because of he have a more skill and more confidence and more very well personality, but based on his skill and his personality he did not give he did not give his satisfied salary. So now he so now he decided he decided he will do a business like based on his skill. So then after some time he will start a business, related to how to teach how to teach any related to English, like he start teaching English to students, and them to get them to get limited them to get low fees to give them English knowledge. But after some time the after some time he has more student, and he 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 run a very well coaching, like English speaking coaching. And after some time he 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 have a very well he has more money. And then sometime after he thinks, now what we are doing. Then after he live a very good life, and then after he have more money and very well he live very well life because he was doing very hard work in their first time. But now he live very well life because he have a more skill and he have a more very well confidence, and he have a good personality. So now this moral of story is have skill is important in life. Don't, because without skill you cannot survive in this world. And if you have a skill you will get a very you will got a good job. So now you learn start so now you starting so now you are so now you start learning skills, and will you get very well salary. Okay boys, this is have a story. So so tell me, how was so tell me you, how how was this story, and how, how will you improve your communication skill, and which skill will you get in your life. Tell me in the comment box. And if you like this story, and if you like my video, so please like this video and share this channels and subscribe these channels. Okay, bye guys, we will meet tomorrow in day 11.